CCM wa mwato. Oh yeah. Radio wa CCM wanga so mwato. Ebe munia. Oh yeah. Ebe ya. Adom FM 106.3 Adom FM Adom one tell you what Kachiro manai Adom FM Ebea Adom tell you what Adom FM
I want some name and kwani ni mo abusumi krumwa yam shishia Emma dancing and diaper vino. Good of a crown and sit a yell. Gonna make a moya veal. Some men busy as you are. I we am gonna go ye and free wow. They wanted you all. She was your mumma as a wa. One by me not yet in my view. I am your rover. Say, Bemadi, so mumma. Never said no new young beer. Yummy shop.
Mama Yamamunina Jo AMANKWAAH Adom 106.3 FM, Cape 93.3 FM, and OFM 107.7 Ewa Boise. Yadanyamiase Sekwesiada 12 August 2018. Yatiasia Wankwa. Meda se unswachi mo fidie no ede ato ha. Ene ye nyina yagye atomo tie. NYINSEN eni AWOÅ ye kapena de asoso ofie obawo afa ho afa obabe no close bi wo hu gise oti Adom 106.3 isa hana resource persons ni nyina aguo ebe mo apɔ no ebe boa wo mo atimi NYINSEN awo afa ho afa obanti eda se free sabre ko se no nkono ebe bɔ ne yentena medin AFIA AMANKWAAH TAMAKLOE mabna duho AMANKWAAH AYOA 05 shine akwadam tetobia wo nyina wa ha na doctors meboni din akyerew ne mo mfa seda no ema DJ Awana Tuzeno wa bonyum na gumasa na kakra na muhu wo honti yenhia 31st August ewo Perez Dome Adom Praise 2018 sauti ebe nyomba akono de monima ni victory de wo born last but two no so ka ho ene is a joyful aha enti mo wo ho mo ayam say victory nkwa na okura mo ba wo na wontie tini nyade so tie Adom ne ebe yi release ni nyina de ama mabobɔ wo mo aka na eba ni nyina dini na fe da no du hɔ ayi nyina yakɔhyiam ne ayi nyame aye fi sɛ nyani pa nyina na eda na kɔ ebeto wo mo NYINSEN ni AWOÅ sɛ de wonim no enwumako bi na boye chidom DBS roofing sheet sanso Elin Madake ne no gyina hɔ de ma oba bia NYINSEN ni AWOÅ sɛ wo yɔ banko ane de nyame de yefunu ebema wo be ma wo ba sɛ wo se edi ho nkɔma akosi sɛ wo banyam no wawo afa ho afa wo ba Adom FM yen social and corporate social responsibility yenso ye dia ye yes ye be board dawro maternal death no ye bete so na ye de afa reality show ye de brawa ye de Regina ejina hode ma nyina Regina fefro 9 months awawo a yenya ye ba Adom ye say Adom nyina wo nyina ho fende wa kora be hu na twam ti amko hwe no wanyini fine pa fresh boy ye ba no NYINSEN a AWOÅ ye ba ti amonya ho asede shine hu akora na cheniska better. Now when him say a drew to say your documentary, I bomo obi ate na de na yedi ho continental. We ka say continental de say onyima abeko sure. Enye obi an ekọ say ma bi anyem awo 9 e man 9 on continental da. E kuro ben ya. Ye kọ Asante Achim Asenchem. Ye say ben agogo. Kuro na wo ho no kwansiri be mienu ansa no bedu Asante Achim agogo so wo kwa continental. Nte na omunya kura nkonso afa ho awo 9. Enye easy mabna duho AMANKWAAH eni bi edi nkomo yenkotie bi emra
Adom FM
ti antenatal da
Dabi
wonte so obi hospital for ana say o colleagues you number for amonyema obi ka antenatal da nti AWOÅ ka no wo fie na wo wo hospital
me wo fie
nti enye na make an counted da Unyima hospital na wo no wanko bi nti wo de bibidro na esa wo ho ehwe wo ho time a onyim na na
Oh, the broker.
One, we are watching some hospital and conquer.
Quite yet. And I said, in 2 class, to take a cry. That's member.
Ya panta mwa woni pan watwe.
Tama when you not Oko hospital.
Dabi nyina nkwala nyina no wo mo akura.
Adai.
Na me wo doctor sika madam.
Now what antenatal? It's one na wo uchim.
Me wo wia na mafro bi no abetwa ne fro mama. Na me fi he kwa doctor na ya na mu 20 etoda na me di ma de ahye me ho. Ekwan ne mu wa.
Enti what antenatal?
Ede ya.
Antenatal.
Antenatal. Brofo na de me koy na mintimi hu.
Yi wonko man nyima hospital no mo kono sa na ye frɛ no. Ye frɛ na antenatal. Ba woni ma de kro. Enti na unsuro se bi wo ha be wo akra no na bi a wanya effect bi.
Aya na nyame na boa ya nkasa so hwe kura ya se pa wo dwe se me wo bia na manya yi bi die. Enya nyame dia me nyem sei metimi ko doctor akopɛ. Na ma wo fie na wo doctor
ada na wonko
ani ina ko esika semu a ne kwan no so ewa nti kwan no wasa no aba kwan no so nye suonu kankan na nsuo tito unya kai kwa na obefa wo
na wa he
me ma wo ba ko nkron
aka ba ko fe no wanyo dwan
na ma nya dwan
se monye ma moko hospital e fe na antenatal no moko bi
Bata ai
moko ne he
Bata ye kona ago bata mi fia senche be se don viri mienu
no sa na antenatal no nya ho ko ne da bia
Bata da bi eto da kra ka wo de be ko no na ya asem
enti na wo kwa antenatal no sen
kwana enya nti eto da bia months no pese me kwa minya ka anko nti bi wo ha 3 months ana so 2 months ansana mako
enti ye sha 1 month na wo de bi wo ha be 3 months na wo tu meko
kwana enya nti minya ka mi free ha just me nan ti we se konsin wo twa ansana ma pie ka kwa manya ka bata ho di na enyi ho nti ade ananka ehia se months bia me ko no mi ntimi nko no sa
enti kakra na wo koye ne de na wo beka sa usuaye
niema mi suaye ni bi ni se bi wo ha adidie mu no wani di ya ebi akwara no wo na hawa be ba ne so
wonye mu no na wo ko hospital
that's fine
na wo ko ne sen imprahe antenatal no
patana me ko no be bosumi mienu
ana sa de na ya monthly na de na wo ko no busumi mienu
aba so ne ekwanti na ka ma ha hwehwe se bi aba na ntia kodu janse no abrenti ese du sama unya ayi bi a de be konti na me ko
na wo ko no wahefa
patana me ko na agogo
wo fi asenchem ho no ko agogo
patana
nti time a ya ka se bra 2 weeks ne 1 week na no ya ne sei
patana no bi ho edu okra mi ntimi nkwente bi ho 1 week ni epa ho ne bi edu 2 weeks ansaba mako
na no no affect wo NYINSEN no kwa mbia so
baby
nti wo kakra na wo tu me koye no den na wo suaye
patana mo try se yedidiem aduane yedidiem se de be fa didie ni ade ana ya awo kan ya my infant na fe yem famra ni ade
onye mu no wo kwa antenatal
ai
uko na uko ne sen
kwa ne nyante mi kwa da bi won ma busumi anta so na ma ko ya ne kwa ne nye
na uko ne 3 months na ma wo how bia
ya na oha no ba ma no ba ne da kwa ne nye ti no o ye era mi timi nko ya no ya me na ade ade kwa ne nye mi ti internet mi nko na mi ya na me ye ne sa no
nti we ne da wo de bibidro fra abofo de na bo hododo na se untume nko ya
me fan fra me de omo de be ma me no na me no ne sa
nti se dro na omo de ma o sa aboso me na sa we de wo betena ho sa
ya na me to
wo betena ho sa kopim time a obenya ka akọ
na me timi sa ka se ebu adu busumi na se busumi anta no na ka no ba dia me timi ko se edu na ka no nyamba so ebu me timi ma se ba na mako
nti wo da kakra na utume ko ya no de na usua wa antenatal ho
enani sa mo ka kire se atam no so na se be wo ayemla ye be won so na ka no mani tane ho tire ya pa ye tien so ade so na se ye be awo ka e de ne ye awo na kan wi ana ko ka wana joa ya na ye bre o be fa fom na kokodu poti fam abedi ye wo no ko junction wo krampo na ye se ye wo nyame amba mu na ye wo
ni anu mo so mo antenatal na mo kon 3 months so na ko de sen
me kon 4 months
adai
ka ni ha kwanu so nyanti
nti ukọ hospital na wo jinro no akosi 4 months na se we ne sen
di omude be ma mbia omude mami a onu na me belum
se ma 1 month de na esa na wo to ho a ji se time a obetumi asan ko be months wa kwaje foforo nti na je se na wo kede na je se o 9 months ni na wo to me antenatal na be se 2 or 3 times pe
Hamisa.
am shishia. And my mom dancing and I felt feel. Could have grown and see the year. Gonna make them way of you. Some members here, you are we am gonna go here free wow. And they wanted you. She was your mumma.
Esiafim. Eraho pa seriously. Nyame. Kwanye. Ntikane masho so. Omuko ne 3 months, 4 months. Nyame. Na sankra no so no munyini be ye titiru no. Nyame. Mi hu de menka meraho pa. Ya. Nso ja program ne yenti be mento aso. NYINSEN ni AWOÅ ena utie no Adom 106.3 FM. Utie bi wo Cape 93.3 FM wo Boase Cape Coast ena 107.7 OFM wo Boase. Ya sure say obi so te baabi saa wanya chance a wotie wo saa problem bi. Enti NYINSEN ni AWOÅ de ya memmese no kra mesra mo papa Ubetie bibia batebo 8 pepepa hwese wo fidie no Adom 106.3 ana OFM ana Cape 93.3 netie futuo no ampanifo de maye wa ha no na sebia u situation te say enuan mo asante achem asenchem ye no eben agogo no a watie de ye ka wa ha no watu ho anamo ba ye mpanifo mo hwe na akwan no sa mo nyama wo Ise NYINSEN pa problem wo ye kura ye continental ni si kura nya bete na de wo kɔ ne 3 months 4 months nyame ene hwe wo mo channel so hwe en live or Facebook 106.3 FM o hwe o questions ni nyina afagu ho ye bekin kan ade ama wo nanwumre ye wo Dr. Felix Abaifa Bowo ya wo no wo oye obstetric gynecologist wo Kolebu Enumere aba ha be kire yade voice na no be ma ye mre na emise next time producer mabna ya pemema no so ne emusa wo mu lumba nyum na ye bo twa ato no mire fi wese no sese be ma dakora situation yee dog memoajo
yo mejo fo
then out
very touching stories. I think it's very sad to hear say an 21st century go through this situation. Ghana say it's not the best. Until like you said, no, it's high time say you can pay for no almost like most of them free distance from clinic na kwanwa na afi so kwan so nya nti obi no ordinary car ebeto sa kwan so was the car be say to muntimi anko in that sense we are talking about accessibility nya access to the healthcare in those kwan no munya ni omunkosi chips company bi kra emben no another way of say kwan na ni e be dia at least bi wo ha ebetimi
Omu nim kura se kuro bi kura ho ba du elections so de omu ko problem first no Emma Elaine Mothercare ho na wo pe wo mano nyoma nyina bie from 0 to 18 years ubenya bie Emma nkwada mema oba wardrobe ni bi wo toys ni bi wo shoes dresses wo mu nua ne wipes ene ne diapers ni nyina no ko Elaine Mothercare ubenya bie wo ho ubora Elaine Mothercare ho pe no wo uniform wo mu share uniform dress nti hu wo mu anu wo mu hu Elaine Mothercare so dear no wom hwehwe wo mo makola any old UT bank no ene hwe animo frɛ 0549178137 0549178137 nani Elaine Mothercare nim komo open dodo atu na so akoton wa ko Elaine Mothercare open ba ko na no ma no na ahye so a Elaine Mothercare ewo ho DBS roofing sheet nso ya da o masepa me so ya me nsan won hu nkoto enchansi bi anwu dan no so wo papa ya nsuo ibeto empa no ana sem frama ne awie ebese kala no dia wo hia DBS fo enchansi eno na fagu school dan no so na school dan no enye kama ufie na wasi asori dan no ya fa DBS fo enchansi ne bi guso sprinters wo mo ewo ho Kumase Tamalene Takrade DBS on Krabata Nubiho for 0543 286637 0543 286637. Now, when a DBS of 4D and come CB men, CB women capsules. Ya don't want say also ya snatch papa mema no me so ya me mini bi sebe ya obedun so freely nya so junso na say oti ya say yo da say yo ya the rubber shame de na a problem Mr. Wunya CB men capsules ni bi me mini a woni how obedun so freely wonti ya obi a wodunso na chi CB women capsules no so boa man pa wono do fo ahia na ni je na womom ya na wote na is a problem abase ho nya CB women capsules ni bi na me mini ni kwan say hu su fi bi every was tim hu ni pem na wuti ayi wanya sa video no ba beto ho enti unya CB women capsules ni bi nonomo a ebeboa eye Suzy Herba fo na akofa ba frɛ won 0247 111 671 0247 111 671 na nonombe numakoya tele won na ebo ye chidom enye late wo so beso yasene na campaign na ya so mu na eso beso yasene sa ye betimi akọ asante achim asenche mu akoye emwa ana eno ano no enti dog said ade na akọ no mera ho pa some no yantene ntaye dia.
Yeah, so Anthony time from the documentary AWOÅ no my phone bi o ha Anthony na omo ntiase enti no say ka say Anthony bia na ebe chiroma kan think say apim for hospital na say apim for clinic omo kono eno sando mo obi onim say onyima beko apim for clinic but onim say friend no Anthony and another time so you see a prenatal care and it's the same as antenatal. It's anti or prenatal is the same thing. Because antenatal care a baby and I say I dema or ba what for your food free time or before your food go time I'll be can now be afan but if you doing this time no from the beginning I'll be obeying saying up to the time obey no so time you no antenatal period into ayaresa another care they ma these people no and your friend no antenatal care na the care no so enyo obi na masa care no or skilled people and as a professional sa e wose woman sa care no nti se woko obi a onyima ko obi a onye skilled na sa woman sa care na enye antenatal care. Antenatal care is supposed to be provided by a skilled healthcare provider. Yeah.
Ya hefo bi hwe on Facebook live Peter Siedu and wo hwe ya Adom all the way no asa tire wa say you people should read the messages and you read them on the College Boatin say hello hi ya just say so when you kwan hwe live on Facebook and Said or hwe free Saudi Arabia Mecca ya da say papa kwaku kwafu ono so han na ni hwe mpa nti wo han woni hwe na wotie mu nsem no eye na Mavis Chrewa Shaibu ono so share live ewo enkran yadama semu share in Facebook live Adom 106.3 media AFIA AMANKWAAH TAMAKLOE shano so say antenatal care ehun common ye na doctor akire antenatal no ehun asem enti dog ene wakane sa akire brebe pa na ya hyase kwa antenatal
antenatal den ka oba bia se unse bosumi bia se obunsa ana onya menses nti se bosumi so na se menses na amba na wankasa onim se possible se onyinsan se at that moment na uko hospital na uko test na uko lab na wankasa uko pharmacy shop top pregnancy test na ye home test no you na say positive at least within the first 12 weeks and within the first 3 months so call first antenatal visit into the best way they say anytime I be meso period no it's so called to now test now and I say we testing call if say positive within the first 12 weeks or within the first 3 months no that's the first time I say call for antenatal care so there's no point say okay so when you now train I do something no within the first 12 weeks that's the ideal time also to me start antenatal care about baby offer you from I say what makes it a period
so cool
good very good question like say from the beginning no okwa your investigations on be first of all no on be busa questions afa your be history taking bit taking history no busa about previous pregnancies no busa about some conditions so we be na say we need be now why examine all these things are done say obe say be o yare bi and I say some risk factors be now the most important is say over that time no so your scan e be amount so scan dey be say NYINSEN no cry no I would didn't say outside you will be an ectopic ectopic so like emergency say a rupture into say only say one scanner you can't tell say NYINSEN no ewo eda wodi na say ewo outside na ectopic no to ye early scan na etimi che and I feel say enta for kwa na at that moment e be so onkula no mi na o mi sa na o mi fo na o mi baako yes ni na etimi boa ma omo determine the type of care omo de be ma and I feel so even at that time no bit match so this date and I will be timi awo most of ye women no say omo men's date no mo ntimi keeping it so you are calculating data on no yeah it's very difficult inti over at that time within the first 12 weeks and I said first trimester na with that scan no data obinya say obe no very accurate at least with plus or minus 1 week and so at that time we just ask scan na every data with me with my chest oh this time now obe more accurate than say obe first scan e obra when you be 7 months when you be 8 months inti at that first time no scan obe no to me a lot of information even at that time you bit him search also be akola no or a financial problem be or akola no then also be various lab tests or happen for ni na
NYINSEN ni AWOÅ na utie ye no Adom 106.3 wanya kwanya so utie ye ewo Cape 93.3 FM wo Cape Coast and OFM 107.7 and so oboase a mutie ebre no so ye bebie phone lines no na wo de wadwen kire na ba ne mom ye nua be ma Kelvin dan so wo se ye mo ye nsem tontom ma free brom be fefuro be wo nti da se papa Kelvin say wonso wanya brena wo share live ewo Facebook follow AFIA AMANKWAAH so ewo Instagram so do wadwen chire bi to hwa e beken kan e de amount Adom Praise 2018 9th edition no ebeba so o Perez Dome utia 60 Ghana cedis ni ehia wo Perez Dome jowlo na waba fi se ho na Dina Hamilton eba multimedia kwa papa original esu ye chiam and a sax bossa and I will Mike Max Praise Pastor Kwame Menukre kwa kujasinum eben na fe yankase yam papa Elder Mreku 6 p.m. near bie 7 near chassis timumrantam na hobeye de afenu komete ni panyina to atwamu half for sa na sa ade ba kwa ka ho sa say yenyine ka bom utia sisia onse hwe so titua ne enkoyi nyame aye dia wutie de eye NYINSEN ni AWOÅ ya kapeno asoso ofie obawo afa ho afa oba be na maka yo say cross bitato no je se wutie Adom 106.3 obi o awanyem so azere antene da me ka me kwede but see a doctor yi ho akere ne de na hu hia se wo say wo kro dog wo kasa no o kan say wo be hwe bi ye be yan hwehwemu ahwe se bia woni family no muni yare bi ne mo sa ne ma na ko bo se bia madano ne blood group no ye negative ana say o other health ibia o de emfa blood group no kura nhyase a eno de na mo ka kire no ne de nso na obeye de abo no mother no ene baby no so.
Yes, thank you. Now say with respect to the blood group no say yes, a blood group my blood group say something negative to say O negative and A negative and B negative. Really what happens is the next step say ebe try say be man no so ni blood group. Okay, now ye be man blood group so on the A positive then it's likely say akola na what him so be positive. Now there was some mechanism say akola na positive so me negative. Now say akola no moja ko ma minimum there's some reaction ma be produce antibodies be fight those akola no moja no. Now the thing is affect that particular child no. But the subsequent pregnancy or no ne be affect akola so positive good so what happens is say mammy a negative really we draw ye dey work mammy no say with the time of be no usually say on you say when bleed through the pregnancy and the or within 72 hours they say was anti-D no every program. Now say if during the pregnancy any time na say moja cry to no cry na say one no say anti-D into the first thing they say mammy a negative they say check it papa so there. Now, papa no say, it makes you only the real father. Also, could check the wrong person in blood group. Say you can take wrong decisions. Instead, papa ni a positive, then it's most likely to clan so be positive. Then in that case, be advice mama so. Who be here say, oh what, ebe wow, sir and program and I say anti-D no. Now, say don't it doesn't. Mama no dey affect no. It doesn't have any effect or positive thing for the mother. For the subsequent pregnancy, so the be on NYINSEN be on say ne bana. When you say positive, antibodies and fight akolano good. Inti those with blood group is something negative no. Sane a moment. I say papa no so negative then in that case no you don't need to do anything because most likely akolano so be negative. Inti negative father, negative child, negative mother. There's nothing to lose. Into no and the problem comes when the father is positive. Then you started those actions.
Yo, yenya Bema Ray so 8 you seen a ra ho pass what manum we money free yonkron kumani ra ho papa Cynthia Andon so bronze and all share yen e free na the akana ebeba echre NYINSEN ni AWOÅ obewa fa ho afa oba antenatal care ho adesua echre na Dr. Felix Abeifa Bowo ya we obstetrician gynecologist from Kolebu Ofri Kolebu na aba Dr. Maya Poni nyina nti kwasi da bia nwumre 8 to 9 p.m. na ya ne ya doctor fo anim de fo ya nurse fo no ne aba ya di ho enkomo na said e bia na ne first time a wo tie ye share ase no November ni ekonya afi nti wa imagine ya share ase ache ye de opemfo ene gina ho fresh obi a onye onwoda ene ye de no egina ho ma obi ya ne ye de na chia we say wa fa no afa no ba abofra no kwa wa hiti ne 6 months nti wanyini a no nti se no sabe ya yetiefo ya hwefo a wa chi no bench obi a benya chefa no se ye ne say ye treat enkra topic na the next week ni ya ye apemfo de nti last week ye enkra de ti this week ene ye apemfo de sabe ya obi a benya nti e bia ne no wate ye nka na wo twen say wo ba de ne ye da beka ye be so obi anya bi obi anya mfaso o program no so nti ene no ye hwe enkra wo afafuro ye hienti e wo se onamo ye ntientia wo ayaresabia next week ebehwe na afi nkran so topics ye de aba ye ya fa no mienu nyina se be ye obia benya chefa ewom tie na sa wasem bi sabi ama fa chaye ne mom ye bi phone lines na wo bibia ene uhia yi bia doctor betumi ayi na obeyi ontimi so ana se ya kire so obekọ o doctor ho na afi wakọ ne nchen fasida no emma critical maternity home ye do mo so ase papa Mrs. AFIA Sewa Major ye da na say Ellen Madake, DBS roofing sheets, Susie Herber, or the CB women capsules, and a day abba. It is a say, you didn't come on your share blood group no and some nanny and also beer HIV and more one to be so a war nimujemo. Also, South one by antenatal na. Your special care be the Mawamana.
Yes, you'll be a fan of PMTC. Prevention of mother-to-child transmission of HIV. Prevention of mother-to-child transmission of HIV. The essentially say oba wana so NYINSEN no HIV a. Yo name bit my year kola no be wona onya HIV ni bi. We hear most of the times in kola mo HIV no about 90% onya free omo mam no through pregnancy and or during breastfeeding. About 90% be brain na kola be other than paying for money free different sources and most of them get it from their mothers during pregnancy and I say time ma no for inti your PMTC or antenatal care PM prevention of mother to child transmission of HIV PMTC or antenatal care and no so ba the all show no you be for no PITC provider initiated testing and counseling or be can once much show so your test for HIV for you. So when say HIV known that one is different. Obeka say HIV na, but omo nim now onye testing be that now we for the first time about clinic you be cancel now why HIV testing. So a test na say a positive. This year from guidelines from WHO say so tested positive so start say antiretroviral drugs on into your types I did ma omo NYINSEN to the first obey tested positive no better say do no obe fast ko so be o wi so no was sent to so afa for her own support e be boy on no
o say onyema ebia say onyema nyadro bia na ofa ebia no bi wo e mo wani bi wo ni pedua ebia hepatitis no ni ade nti obeja adro no no
yes sano so uba no uba yo is true ndon bi wa want me in fact with pregnancy bit my colano. But there are types a saving pregnancy. Those ones no balance or HIV now. It was specific ones go for no more those conditions no. Now even say first one no of oba first and a HIV test say a negative. You be repeat tamonya be 8 months, echo 9 months no. And at time I obe will cry no. Be say another repeat near so still we negative. Then we know say you are negative. Inti obi obe test positive no. Obe start with antiretroviral drugs ART and HIV a drone. Now AWOA akwano so you do a demano. Akwano so be fair draw up to some time. Now so this fair draw na AFIA mo ko hu pediatrician and I say doctors so mo share akwano mo so atwa from there. And if found says oh yes most of the times akwano will come out safe free of the disease. And I feel so those ones so during the pregnancy they say no more discuss about breastfeeding. Because obetimi the virus na ma akwano through the breast milk. Inti either say obeye exclusive breastfeeding and now say because person man no for man no feed is accepted, but it's what we do encouraging say obey misfeeding but man I don't know for now man no other formless no at the same time those ones no boama and more no timi call aklano into doing the antenatal and all these things no obey discuss nobody decided so me wa no milk per mano and I say mano breast milk per then you take that decision. The ultimate go through all this most of the children will come out umunya HIV nibi into bana say they can say HIV test now for one kasa good a bit more boy my pick this very early then afterwards no then you involve your partner so bring your partner in a have a discussion also go through counseling and testing then whatever is then when you see a positive then also go through treatment so when you say a negative so a negative your some measures will be taken with in relation to sexual intercourse or no so people with HIV they are well taken care of during the antenatal period no. Now you do it as much as possible to say oba or more antenatal or no who say HIV it's not done like that. There are things that are put in place oba will be taken care of without discrimination.
Midwife and some yo yenua cheerful charity D also great program in Shiraba Catherine Sunie nyame hira ne adwuma pa mo ye Joseph Amwakonso ehwe Barbara na Mele Hamon and yefa a blood group no ne ade na ampapa na Samuel Duha was say nyame mo ye yire no apemfo ho ban pa good work. God bless you. Patience. Mausine di Inshraba, Catherine di Frukuwait, Nebe, Mary Obey. Thank you. Yadamwa se fia uni team Jumapa mo ye ede emma ye. Patience. Mausia sa di abebi. Good evening, Fia. We question ye baby sa neche. Nemo mu yabu afo bi. Yem koti one craft on them right. Yebe mo questions on the bema doctor. No ya.
Mr. and Mrs. The mama praise the Lord. Hey, Pastor. Hallelujah. The treasure de who sit temu here. Nemwa bio ni wabekwa akori nyina atwocha.
Hey, Pastor. If we say me kunu fa me do CB men's capsules. Na me so me no ma de CB women's capsules a. Wo kire yen no. Enija be fie pa.
Praise God, praise God. CB men's capsules. Abesa me mpemu reye. Ene me junso mu yale. Ene oba no so na wo kika na wo fom no. Ene na yase a aya na ye ne ya na fichi problem no. CB women's capsules abegini nyina free so.
Maye ka mesi mi da de munti. Me rapon ya na obefie.
Nka me nko CB men and women capsules. Susie Herbal Center Ghana man me madam say apefo abatan wo mo manufo ne mofra wo ni fie dum yenu nka ho. Our pharmacies chemical and herbal shops nyina mu. Etufo frɛ Susie Herbal Center 0247 11 16 71. Afa 0246 57 87 50.
CB men and women capsules.
Ubadu so feel. Hey, you also
Hey, K. Na se na mini utinti utimi bo metri modern say.
Oh, Debbie.
Inti sa niama pa wo Eileen mother care na odi asie mini. Na eye ma ho keka kura ne se. Wo afia pemfo koka mofra infisha du asia. Wo sa ye wholesale and retailing. Mi kodu Eileen mother care meni sutwa me say yira wo. Wo baby carriers, baby stand, baby wardrobe, baby phone tare asoroto. Wo tricycles, cotton bad impa wodi yimofra so baby wo ho. Baby toys, baby coats, baby bags papa bi a biatang betimi de siesie won ho apie bedsheets papa bi diapers ahoro and baby foods ebema mofra na nyimproprom mo echi ni yira kwan wo mokola opposite UT Bank and Old Whitechapel Tempe Metropole Lane Eileen Mother Care fra 0549 178 137
Day no kure we dey fache me na mame fa we nka ho na wa mbo me charge wo ho nso Eileen Mother Care assign was Sprinters Road Pima Filling Station Hope same wholesale price and ayedema fra ho no so e was 0561 349044
Eileen Mother Care, home of pregnant women and baby products.
Taking that leap to own a home can be a daunting process until that moment when you walk through the doors. The sense of security, financial stability, that incredible feeling of finally is incomparable. That's why every year we bring you the Habitat Fair. So get ready for this year's Joy News Western World Properties Habitat Fair, brought to you in collaboration with MNC Properties. The fair brings together finance houses, construction firms, real estate developers, dealers in furnishing, and many more. There will be a second clinic at the West Hills Mall from Saturday, August 18 to Sunday, August 19, 2018 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. The Joy News Western World Properties Habitat Fair 2018 is brought to you by Western World Properties. Live your true comfort. JL Properties, the city's favorite developer. The Greens, redefined living. Castle Steel Structures Limited, dream it, we build it. DBS Roofing, Roofing Papapaya Fiat, Zenith City, the new airport city. MNC Properties, a choice of class, elegant homes and general construction where you live your dream. And Fortune City Estates, our house, our fortune. Joy News Habitat Fair 2018, affordable housing for all.
Adom TV, hey, Boko dear sister. Where Facebook TV. Adom 106.3 FM. NYINSEN AWOÅ and UTAN so keep 93.3 FM. OFM or Boise 107.7. Yane Dr. Felix Abaifa Bogu and Edim Commercial Antinita K. Faswa was so dog yes I'm walk baby you nua ba na mama here we oba na bema nim sakran kama mo bema Hassan bema Hassan bin Abdallah wonder nko nya ye fia good program pa na mo ye nka we no kenye ni 2 days like twice a week nke beboa wajo nchire me sure see programs director ate and konya ni sama yo see a nice topic pa program pa ye no twice a week and kebebu anti honorable boss ba ko pe abu ye reshuffle programs ni mu na NYINSEN AWOÅ emra twice yen listeners ni bi na dia ba no now Peter Kumsen, God bless you nyami shamo pa educative program pa na mo ye moko so anya yeda sen so share live Facebook too much adverts bra aseme no abeka no he no aso na editua e ka o sponsors no ti a muntie ho no so ho sa na sponsors na ba more na yetimi so aye adwuma no kese kitua bi ne boy ye to so do enti sese ndie ye hunu emfaso na e wo so ba ye hwe text no injections bi wo ho no mu a I don't know so sampane won ye dro no bebre de nko a me wa ye se enyemozo a ye no nro bebre e be ma effect bi no ni ade ana mpane no nro ne do so sa
Panini no and also sir we only said also with enye be sir.
How be no ma wo kra da so no.
Yes, it's true. Yes. Now the thing say so NYINSEN obody go to some physiological changes, some changes be about body no. And based on that no or risk of getting some conditions they are very high. For instance, if malaria is here say NYINSEN or ba organ say NYINSEN obody know some immune system be fight malaria to tanya malaria be sad. But the moment you get pregnant now means them no form. Inti with me very severe malaria with my how so in that regard so NYINSEN your malaria do I demand applying for SP 3 tablet from second trimester and I say from 13 weeks to 16. At time was every 4 weeks be at least every 4 weeks be I'll call more 3 tablets no offer. And at least we hope say at least over 3 of these medications before obey me and you say now I said them can you take it just to prophylaxis and say treat condition is to prevent you from say obenya malaria no. So that's one. Then the other one is tetanus. Now tetanus no who say sometimes mameno there's a risk of maternal and then neonatal tetanus. Into no say mameno tetanus vaccine etimi protect or no any alcohol so. Then also and even we advise say obey do reproductive age from 15 years no. Obey to master was tetanus panny. I know NYINSEN who crying here say obey say alcohol. But most of the times no it doesn't happen like that. In time obey no. Now on what be that then they so started with because that's the only time I wait my channel hospital now wait me I want into obasa and I say one tetanus injection. Now usually for first timers and I say first pregnancy you go 2 1 month apart. Then we hope say after 6 months from the second one we the third one, then there's a fourth one and then there's a fifth one. Ultimo 5 in area be protect you throughout your reproductive life. To the who here say NYINSEN I will be sign AWOÅ. So that's for the tetanus. And also your diwema I dema happen for. Now say diwema the most thing say your worms we more it me for no moja it say my say we moja from now or you'll be at risk of having worms infection. Now your ma diwema I've been as well I say me been as well. Now these ones most are the ma after first trimester after say when you 4 months aircon na amount those just to they doing there any piece yes any piece but in so boa and I almost iron so, yes because iron no you say for buying NYINSEN the red blood cells no baby brain na akolon so for me moja ono so here iron onye fi baby you say mama no ha to no or twi mama ne dey opompo or twi there is also for be the shame the obenya from food no enye enough to na supplements to befa iron na fi folic acid so befa folic acid so folic acid put there ideally say offer before you get pregnant at least 3 months before you get pregnant then during the pregnancy no offer ni na boa e protect in from some conditions.
And when you know what can you say you ignore effect ben what you so.
Yes, effect what you know often in one after the other folic acid one for folic acid acclimate mania CNS problem CNS central nervous system neural to effect to ba ko na bia na chi spine no na expose the spinal cord na EP
say I know
folic acid na for instance from the start and then yes it's true. And then also iron is one fire na then ubenya anemia no so wona so moje tuka kra na ebe hadwe ana obo akwa na kete say anmanba see because age be no form moja o form akwa nya moja entimi enyi ene kam malaria so one fam malaria do na ubenya malaria be severe si betimi kra ku o maame no nsana akwa no so then tetanus the same to betnya maternal and say neonatal tetanus each of them be AWOÅ ne uses and I say ne benefits
what's up dog tete Emmanuel I say answer na no mo ebe ware no mo check your mo blood group no nti tete na ye negative B na ne wife ye B negative na ne wife ye B plus
B positive yes
nti one person mo implications be no
yes so mamini positive there's no problem so mamini positive no, there's no problem with that. Okay. Say ebeha aklano because aklano bit my positive. There's a mamini positive, aklano positive.
But some community negative. Di anke beha John.
Still no problem. Negative. Aklano so be negative. There's no problem. The problem comes when the mother is negative.
Okay.
The mother near negative. Yes. Then.
Samuel appear. Osinya mishra mu ne adwuma pa mo de emma ye mema mumuma simple edase na yenua be makwache pepra Alex patriotis abrewa o say AFIA is rather unfortunate say lady ne dey kan born voice ne say won tay antenatal kura ho asembra o say I know Agogo hospital is just around the corner na e cover me person me read brofo no e cover asenchem nyina nurses no ko nkronkuma no mu ko ye education to mo take advantage no mo entie de mpanifo no eka na Agogo hospital esopa ma quality health services enu abema o masam no enye se ka ma e kwan ne nye eno ne omo point pa na omo kanti Mr. Kwachi asam na no bana de bia omo ba bia na omo anu ho e ka so kwa me ze boso me anza na fofora ba ntero ni problem no
then because it's a village no be obeko da beko no oko farm it's not really available almost maybe they go once a week and once a month I don't know call from bana say wo ba kwa who say wanko
Auntie, Mr. Quadrina, sa baby bisa say if you in case a pregnant woman or Mrs. injections ni boosters in any drugs na baby no obey okay.
Yes, so it depends. She say one tetanus injection for instance. Na say is exposed to soil for instance. But me neonatal tetanus. But you unkola o mami an any of this anti-D. Fine. Go be your village.
But you encourage this.
Yeah, exactly. Because even say if it happens to one person, it's huge. Yes, you know.
Dog, antenatal no how many times now see you
currently guidelines says at least 8. The one kokra yes one kokra be I fine amount can so 8 but so complications be a bit every week I say every 2 weeks in that case be brave I bear more than 8 but the one kokra no at least so go for 8 visits and sana wow.
Okay, I don't for your be phone lines not 0302 216561 0302216562 for doing channel ebra na yen twaso na yen hwe yen man mu a ma bena du ha mankwa no won kasa free asenchem antinenta no 4 months 3 months or how bay ne betimi anya wo about time na ene nkura no
so in the first place we say kan ka antinenta no kwa risk identification with me from interactions no be who so mama no yare we na say mama no yare we
ye be no so ya ba ho no so odo ye mo ajodo ba Adom 106.3 NYINSEN ni AWOÅ din be bia free mfi hello me say onyanto ahoma no ye nya no a ye ne be kasa 0302216561 ana 0302216562 na yento so yamwajo do ba NYINSEN ni AWOÅ so odo yamwajo do ba NYINSEN ni AWOÅ so Adom wana betan line shi you say dog yento awo de so
it is that a woman like that say be an blood pressure say a cholesterol who say a cholesterol the cholesterol say cholesterol then they end up with say when eclampsia convulsions marinya with say blood pressure cholesterol I could do a pepe so be any say echo and I face say or also say be an moja cry echo from my own to me detect say the moja echo from to who say
dog yemfo bi na you hear better so or dem want to ba Adom 106.3 low or radio no my pa radio no low no my ye da say why asomre udi ni baby afraid mfi
Mr. Cho yes me princess me kasa feel la pa
princess yenti
Mata for 7
what for 7 months
Mr. Chai
yo yenti
Mr. Cho me yet test about me blanda you see and so I try on no refer and folic acid.
Princess Woline no a breaky fancy yante hon baby no a drum the mouth your folic acid.
Folic acid
and a day
no refer. No refer NURIFER and a vitamin C. And on one ground, on mommy tippy, and I don't know if there's any other drug you said one.
Nasa Unumwa, or the coach, a master kakra, difference be am I?
No, me can't say me can't hear you know. Not do a thing say around 9.5. But mommy saw quiet the second time, about 8.8 class before.
Okay, dog be ya no ma na fe be before from obetro ya da se papa also betimi afre 0302216561 na also odo question na bo for so aba ahoma no so lo o radio no ma yen kra we dey be afre mfi
You. And go.
Oh, there be our friend, but was so yarding, cutting off uniform money. Yeah, low radio no sana waba na yato nkai. Ya jo so a we didn't be afraid of you. Auntie Maggie line mu nyakra.
Me pasa ha network ne papa.
Has a say dia yenti o.
So ne mu kan ye no kwe because da sisi you want to take hospital no me say. Me say you try your phone, I do come on me at 7 months. And then 1 week we go hospital na say. Na me tell about friend kan na me buy. Me buy no, na te about friend no, e fi mo me no. Na o me you know, amani. If you say the hospital no, you do no. I am not here. And I think my things want to say, you have something to be a you call hospital name. Because saying you may energy and Casab being coming to it. Now, until you are number, it's me quite short and come with me a bonnet.
And then Catana producer no backers or Honoma boy, why yada say. Over from so bet me abba 0302216561. Over from so a humano so. Yamakwa do ba NYINSEN ya woso.
Hello.
Papa low radio no my kakra. Nampacho dini be afraid fi.
Pacho me frefi Ajengano.
Ajengano, pacho enti.
Pacho me
Papa, unti anka o de afraid actually.
Hello, good evening.
Hey, transfer abaho. Hello.
Good evening.
Ya Joseph Papa, udini be afraid fi.
Mitigation frefi Obuasi.
Obuasi. Hey, I don't know be Ajengano e free free. Yenti o Papa.
I'm not sure black no doctor can answer me. Maybe positive. No, we have to say positive. This is one of the best things to be.
E pacho yo yada so kwaso atie OFMY yada anu ye no ebebro yam phone calls yam fancy an dog nya no na say me page me tin me no kokora.
Good. So quickly first one Princess there no was in the HB na 9.5 is about 8.8 alpha nurifa and vitamin C. Good. So in this situation one of the things that means say you more wema because say me kind of worms and I say hook worm infection it ma HB no form. They be all farm the doing so worms so train umoja no say obe fight the wema then we call higher level nti so often we find say still for my then with mama no totema I know boama moja no echo fast than say we find then the lady from the question so no na she just contributing say onya IUFDI intrauterine fetal the nipa no wo ni yeah exactly because akwa no wo yema just imagine say you are obi o wuda oyem it me ha ma me no nti it's good say otimi content mo ebo no then oboase ni no busa about say also a positive the issue positive so in that situation there's no problem for the baby nti omo no money how so far as blood group no is concerned and then obi no busa about say ono ye resource negative the same thing as blood group negative no so ono ye negative e be check ni kunu ni de say ni kunu nye available we just assume say or yeah, O positive because then very common. But say ni kunu ha then be check ni kunu blood group. Say ni kunu ye positive then it means akwa no bit my positive so onya sa injections no. So what within 72 hours funeral anti-D so autonomous tour. So what need their mother no. Like it what mother no, not the baby. Like I said it protect the subsequent pregnancies. It's not what injection. But since you couldn't see negative, then there's no problem.
Okay.
To worry.
Dog, I'm running song to M4 now.
Yes, into the American say antenatal care is very important. Say, baby, the last time we talked about preconception care, care if a man before NYINSEN. Now when you say we say so, it was antenatal care no. Now, from the beginning, now be superior no. So they can hospital. At least the first 12 weeks. So call for first visit. First visit is very critical. Because at that point, no, you will never be brave to me a day above. Then subsequently, no, healthcare provider be more intervals. I say oh back for clinic no. Be more hard to say the commentary. But because of distance, need some circumstances no. Only accessible to healthcare. Into those ones, they be can actually pay for some more. Be almost establish some chips compound. I say clinics be a bear more meet me akọ mo no ba bia oba me so period bia say with me eco hospital
ntiani osha wo me se pem fa drasto bia nkoto bibia anse bibia wanya mesene de na ze wo expect baby no dog yeah that's Dr. Felix Abaifa Bowo obstetrician gynecologist wo kolebu ena nwure wa be hye faso de wo antenatal care ehun to bia nko bi nua ba ofre yen free tetekwashi hospital no zana sem na areho pa nti obia nhya no so ne onko ye chia Dr. Hilda Mantibia boy ye executive producer one otewan kona obe phrases here nyamishira doctor wonshira pa happy birthday so nkoma Mrs. Selma Adomako Opon senior nursing officer wo Kolebu pediatric department ye da na se ono so boye na dwumadi eye kama aseda no nkoma mabna duho amankwa nyamishira producer oya de pa onte no ho ase 1 minute situation na yada you want so ase Facebook so nya kwan busa question na you are 05 otewan kona sanso ena shine akwa yeda se papa dam tetobia asedan koma Dr. Felix Abaifa Bowo yeda se nwure wanya daje abekire yemo media AFIA AMANKWAAH TAMAKLOE Catholic Judie ena yede to aso ne moma nwure ochena no Monday no ye share with TV no so enkwahia ehon ye di nkomo afa immunization ho fi se bosumi we nso no bosumi a ye di nkomo de afa enkora no wo manu mo so ene mpane ye bo no mfa so de wo so nti wo ba no afra nko we yam yanko so nanu ma mo ne pane a wo ha akora ne live wo nti no so ye ochena nwure 9:30 wa Adom TV ba wa hare de NYINSEN AWOÅ yeda OFM foase wo boase na Cape 93.3 FM so yedo omase so omaje dwumade apetien to so pese oba na wo baje peti bia wo frɛ yen a na wonso wo station na ba no waje no abodawuro no an ye bo no na ya bre ema ne enkwada kwa wo yeso aye ma no ya bre wo mose ye sorry Catholic Judie eto so